friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious idli upma recipe. We can make this recipe with the leftover idlis. It's a very easy breakfast recipe. So first let's get started and see the ingredients for the recipe. We need some mustard seeds, some urad dal, a few curry leaves, green chilies which is chopped, about 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Today I have taken about 10 idlis which is crumbled. This is the leftover idlis which is cool and crumbled into tiny pieces, and some turmeric powder. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 4 tablespoons of oil. To the hot oil, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of urad dal. When the urad dal is nice and golden brown, let's start adding the other ingredients. Now you can see that the urad dal is nice and golden brown. Let's add the 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Add a few curry leaves. I've taken about 3 green chilies which is chopped. You can alter the spice according to your taste. Now let's add the green chilies and stir fry all the ingredients till the onions are nice and translucent. At this stage, let's add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, turmeric powder has a lot of medicinal values. Now let's add the crumbled idli and mix all the ingredients together. Keep the flame in slow and start mixing till all the ingredients get together and blend well. Now let's add sufficient salt. And stir fry it. You can see the big pieces of idli. Just break them into small tiny pieces so that they get crumbled into a nice upma. So that's it, friends. A delicious idli upma is ready. Do try this easy and delicious recipe and let me know your comments. Do subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.